Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert square root symbol in Excel formula. Then firstly, I select area, remove grid lines, select white. Then go to insert menu. Select cells. Then go to insert menu, equations. This is many equations. This is many symbols. I click equations. Fractions, script, radical, integral, large bracket function, ascent, limit and log, operator, matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I select number 6. Increase size, go to home. Change color, background color, change text color, rename. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.